How to fix Snapchat memories. First thing guys, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, and now scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it like this. Click on this four stop here and then click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions, and the last thing, go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it right there. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.